Hi, we're going to have a look to see how effective the Fuji Focus bracketing is. And we're going to see how effective it is for macro work. We've got a 90 or 80 millimeter lens on our Fuji X-T3. Anyway, whatever it is, it's the macro lens. Yeah, it's the 80, and we're going to see how effective it is. Their focus bracketing. We're going to do a set of 5 with 1 increment, 10 increments, and both wide open at 2.8. And then we're going to do some with f11, a stack of 10 to see how much different that is. So it'll be 10 at f11 and so on. Okay, you go into your menu and you go up to the camera icon, across the drive settings, and then you'll go across, see bracketing settings, and you go across and you go down there to bracketing, go across again, and this is where you can set your number of steps. This is where you can set your number of frames. So we go up to the bracketing settings and you can see there's a whole list of what you can choose to bracket. And we're on focus bracketing, so you need to set your camera dial to bracketing and you're away. Okay, so we're in Lightroom and we've got our 4 stacked images. So to start with, we got f2.8 there. Next stack is f11, 5 increments of 10. Then we go on to 10 with 10 increments at f11, and then the last one is with electronic shutter to see whether that makes any difference. So we right click, we go up to edit in, open as layers in Photoshop. This will take all those layers and open them up in one file in Photoshop to allow us to do the stacking. This can take some time because we're recording the screen as well. So, but it will load all the 5 layers into layers, and then we can then align them. Right, so that's our 5 layers. We just need to hold Shift, select all those layers. You go up to here and you want to go down into the edit and go down to auto align layers and just stay with the auto, because even though the camera's on a tripod, it hasn't moved because the focus has changed. Effectively does move the image. So we'll align them all together, and then we go back to edit, and we go down to auto blend layers. And again, make sure it's clicked on stack images, got themes, stones and colours, content where fill the transparent areas. So for this we're going to say OK, and it's going to go about stacking those images. And this can take a little bit of time where Photoshop works out parts of the image that are sharp and not sharp, and will adjust and make masks to suit, and it will bring you out a layer right at the top with it all combined. Okay, so you'll get the hang of all that, and we're just going to go up in Photoshop and save. This will then save that information. It will come back into Lightroom. Right, we're back into Lightroom now, and I've given all the four files from Photoshop. I've given them a star so we can filter them out. So we go out down here and filter the four out. So this is the first one, which is at 2.8. So you can see we're focused about a millimetre before the 100. It goes to either side, so we say there's about a millimetre of focus there. Go on to the next one, which is the stack of 5 that was on f11, and you can see there we're in focus there. So we're in focus about 5 mil, maybe 4.5 mil. And that's then we go on to the step of 10. So f11. So that's 5 millimeters. So the step of 10, we can take it from about there. So we're about 8 millimeters. So that step from 1 to 10 has given us another 3 millimeters, which doesn't seem right really. So that's not really very clear at all. And then the last one was the one with the electronic shutter. We'll enlarge these up. Left is the mechanical shutter, and on the right is the electronic shutter. And the slight movement it's given us, it means the electronic shutter side is sharper. So it's a good idea when you're doing, I guess even when you're doing macro and also focus stacking, that you use the electronic shutter. What it means is if you're using flash, obviously you can't, but the flash is probably going to help because of short exposure, it's going to actually give you a sharper result. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If anyone knows more about focus stacking, please let us know. And this little experiment, albeit that it's not too scientific, it's a sort of real world review. And well, I don't think Fuji have done themselves any favours with this focus bracketing. It just doesn't make any sense. Anyway, we'll see you again next time.